Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. I'm in a super good mood today, and whenever I'm in a really happy, upbeat mood, I always want to clean my entire house because I get the most done when I'm in a good mood. So I'm going to be doing my whole house today, just cleaning everything to give you a ton of motivation. So I'm going to be here, there and everywhere in today's video, moving upstairs, moving downstairs and just seeing how I feel as I go, but I want to get the whole house done. So there is so much motivation in today's video. But if you are in need of some motivation today and you enjoy this type of video, then please just keep watching and let's jump straight into it. Flat sheet is like the worst thing ever. I don't even know why we bothered buying a flat sheet, because yeah, fitted sheets all the way, but now that's finally on, I can carry on with the rest of it.
Started out just like a lovely story. You were mine and we were really happy. Came around when I was pretty lonely. Glad you found someone that I could be with. Never ever really crossed my mind that you were just hanging around. Never ever really crossed my mind that this would end up upside down. Oh, oh, oh. You and me cheated for a long time. You had me fooled and there were no signs. And you stole my time.
I've got really into manifesting, law of attraction and everything like that lately. So I wrote my scripting letter. This is the first one I've ever written in my life, but good things are coming. So I'm going to leave that under my pillow. I've done as much of the bed as I can. A couple of the pillowcases are in the wash and I need to decrease it, but as far as the bed goes, that's as good as it's going to get for now. But yeah, keeping all of my law of attraction books down there. I am obsessed. I also want to get some like clear crystal quartz, so if anyone knows where I can get some decent crystals, let me know, because I would love to just put different crystals all around the house. I think that would be such a vibe. And yeah, so let me know down below if you're into law of attraction and manifesting and where I could get some decent, good quality crystals from.
You and me cheated for a long time. You had me fooled and there were no signs. And you stole my time and I lived my life with you. Should have known that you'd never make it through. Stole my time and I lived my life with you. Should have known that you'd lose. It was all a robbery. It was all a robbery. It was all a robbery. Robbery, robbery, robbery. Stole my heart. So 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 stole my heart. It was all a robbery. It was all a robbery. It was all a robbery. Robbery, robbery, robbery.
I'm so glad that I did a huge deep clean of this bathroom the other day, so not a lot needs doing. I'm just going to do the shower screen. As you can see, everything is still nice and clean, so I just need to sort of tidy that up a little bit, take Max's lead downstairs, and yeah, just give everything a quick once over, but then this room is done. So yeah, I'm super happy with my past self for doing this.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do,
Right, I've now moved downstairs, and as you can see, the kitchen is absolutely crazy. We've got pizza boxes, we've got washing up that needs to go in the dishwasher, we've got laundry that's just overflowing onto the floor, and yeah, it's just an absolute mess. So I've still got a few bits upstairs to do, but I just want to tackle downstairs. The front room behind you guys is just as bad as the kitchen, so we have a ton of work to get done. So yeah, let's just jump straight into this mess and get it sorted out.
party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started. In that hallway, we couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her? I have to sleep in the bed I made. I don't sleep much at all these days. 'Cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, really hope that you're coming by. But you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing.
So I can finally see the kitchen sides again. It feels so good when I give the kitchen a good old scrub. Obviously I've still got a lot of laundry to get through, and I've still got to do the floor, but I am going to be moving through into the front room. Let me just turn you around and show you this situation, because like I said, it's an absolute mess, but it never takes as long to do like the front room as it does the rest of the house. So I wanted to leave it until last. Still absolutely loving the little coffee drink station I've got set up here, and I think I am going to go ahead and make myself a coffee before we tackle this mess. But once I've done the front room, I will be coming back through to the kitchen to do the floor, and then go back upstairs and just do the little bits up there that I still need to do.
I'm cutting down the wires, feeling kinda tired. I think I lost myself, I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. I'm cutting down the wires, I'm feeling kinda tired, I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know I've been thinking about you. Thinking about you. words to say. Time flies by on my mind.
Okay, so I am now back up in the bedroom, and I really wish I cleaned this fan before changing the bed, but it was actually when I was making the bed I realised how gross it is up here. Like, I'm going to give you a quick before so you can see how bad, and I am going to use wet wipes instead of like just dusting it, because otherwise the dust is just going to go everywhere and fall on the bed. So hopefully using wet wipes will stop everything going on the bed, but yeah, it's so gross. I'm really hoping that you can see just how bad it is up here, but we actually have this fan on every single night, so all of this dust and muck is honestly just falling on us, which is so gross. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and quickly give that a good wipe over.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the
Okay, that brings me to the end of today's video, and oh my god, my house is smelling lush at the moment, and I love the feeling of a freshly cleaned house. So the only thing left for me to do is go and light a candle, get a drink, and put my feet up, because I just love relaxing after a good clean and just taking it all in, because honestly it makes me feel so calm and relaxed when my house is clean and tidy and decluttered. It just declutters my mind. So I really hope that you found some joy in today's video as well as motivation. Do go ahead and subscribe, clicking the red subscribe button down below if you did enjoy today's video. Also leave it a thumbs up, because it really does help me out when you do that. I'm also going to go ahead and leave my Instagram link down in the description, so you can go ahead and follow me over there as well, and I will see you guys back here in my next one.